First of all, I thank my subscribers and the viewers for supporting me. Thank you all. And today we are going to start the first program on Python. So here, click the start. In this, select Anaconda 3. In this, click Anaconda Navigator. Click this one. Once you click, is the Anaconda Navigator. Okay. In this, we are going to do the program on Jupyter Notebook. So click the launch button. Click the launch. So by default, which browser you are using, for example Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, whatever the internet browser you made as a default, that will be open. So here I have used a Microsoft Edge browser, so it open. This is the screen of Jupyter Notebook. So first I want to say what is this mean, Jupyter mean. So here JU stands for Julia and Python and R. So Julia and R are the software tools mainly used for data science, which we will be dealing later. And Python is the programming language. So the combination of these things we call as Jupyter. And this is Jupyter Notebook. So if you see, you can see some folders and files are here. So where you are means actually if you go to your this PC and your operating system drive, for example this is C is the operating system drive for me, and this users, and that your username. Here these are the folders and files which we saw there. So this is the place where our software started its root. This is the root folder. This is the root folder. Okay. So now whatever the program we are going to do, it will be stored in this root folder. If you want to change, for example, if you want to change it to desktop, you can click this desktop. So this is the desktop of mine. So here I can save the folder, or else if you want to go back to the root folder, click this folder icon and come back to the root folder. Okay, so first I'm going to create a folder here. So here on the right side in the new, click this new and choose folder. Okay, so once you click the folder, you see here by default untitled folder which created a seconds ago. Okay, so now it is automatically created. If you want to rename this one, click here, a check mark will be there. Now go back here, click rename. So now you can type whatever the name you need. Okay, I have typed teachers tech rename. Okay, now it is rename. So now I'm going to open this folder. Just click this one, go near it, hand icon will be there, just click it. Okay, now you are in the teachers tech folder. Okay, so now here we can start our first program. So again you click the new and click under the notebook C Python 3, click this one. Okay. A new tab opens. Okay, this is we call as a new terminal. Okay, so this is the place where we are going to do our programs. So this is called as cell. This is called as a cell. So first of all, if you want to give some name to yours, just click that one and say give some name, first program, rename it. Okay, now I have saved in the name of first program. Okay, so here let's start print. See, if I open the parenthesis, automatically the second one ends there. Come the end, the second parenthesis come automatically. I have not pressed. Once I given this parenthesis, this one automatically raised. Okay, so now again I'm going to give two quotations. Okay, when I click first two quotation, automatically the second two quotation came. Okay, in between this, we can write something like this: hello world. Okay, now click run. Yeah, that's it. Whatever you type between this quotation, it will be term as a output. This is the input cell. This is the output cell. So what we are doing is we have given a code to print whatever the text document within the quotation will be the output. If you want to change this one, okay, see, it just check. Okay, you can change and click run. Yeah, this is the output. So you can either use this run button or you can use shift and enter. Yes, hold your shift key and then press enter. Hold your shift key and press enter. This is another method to run this one. See, code. Now I'm not going to click run. Instead, I'm going to press shift and then enter key. Yes, get the code. This is the two method to run the program. Either you can click run or you can use shift and enter key. Hold the shift button and press enter. So this is our first input and first output. Next, we can solve some mathematical problems. Okay, see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the value 5 to store in A and value 12 to store in B. So why I am storing a value in an alphabet, a letter, means, so whenever I want to use this value, I will simply call this particular letter over here. Okay, so instead of typing 5 plus 12, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a letter C, and which is having an operation A plus B, that is 5 plus 12, and the value will be stored in C. Okay, so the thing, one thing I want to clarify, dear viewers, this particular classes is meant for the students who are not aware about programming. I assume that this is their first programming class. So if you feel the class is somewhat slow, I'm sorry. This is for the students who are not having the, uh, I mean, not aware about the programming skill. Okay, so right. So now this is the simple thing we can execute here. Okay, so first I'm going to ask him A is equal to 5. Okay, then if I give enter, what will happen? So it comes to the next line. Okay, so you have to make shift and enter. Now the value 5 is stored in A. If you want to know that one, simply press A and click run. Yes, the output is 5. The value 5 is stored in A. Okay, B is equal to 12. Okay, simply run. Okay, now the value 12 is stored in B. Okay, so B and run. Okay, you can see B is having the value 12. So I want to create C, which is going to store the value of A plus B. Okay, run. So if you now see what is the value of C, 17. That is 5 plus 12. Similarly, uh, if I want to next problem, D is equal to B minus A. Okay, now we can make D is equal to B minus A. Okay, run. So now what is the value in D? 7. Yeah. So E equal to A star B. So E is not meaning that okay. Somewhere I have a doubt. Here everything is in capital letter. So I'm writing in small letter. No problem. Okay, can go for capital letter also. Yeah. Why? What is the error? See, we are stored this small letter A is 5. It is not accepted here because now you can store another value. For example, A is equal to 9. Okay, and B is equal to 10. Okay, yeah. Now what will be the answer for A? Yes, yes, you can see the value of A is 5. Yeah, now this 2 is different. Now letter A, small letter A is different, capital letter A is different. Now if you see the value of capital E, run, you will get the answer. E is not defined, right? Okay, now we can define. E is equal to A star B. Okay, run. Yes, now see E. Yes, got the value. Okay, so A is if you are changing the small letter and capital letter, the value is also surely changing. Okay, right. Next, F is equal to B by A. F is equal to F is equal to B by A. Okay, run. What is F now? That is 12 by 5. We got 2.4. Okay. So next one, G is equal to B module A. G is equal to B module A. Okay. So what is G now? Is 2. Yeah. I think you will be familiar with this plus addition, multiplication, division, everything. But what is this module? So module is nothing but what is the remainder that will become here. 12 module 5, the remainder will be 2. So I will explain this particular thing with a slide here. See, so this is 12 apples are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 12. 4 3s are 12. So 12. So I want to split. I want 12 module into 5. That means I am going to split this 12 apple with 5. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then this is 3. I want to make it to 5. So I add 2 apples from the bottom. Okay, now you see 5 apples are here, 5 apples are here, but here I am unable to make 5 apples. The remainder is 2. That is what the meaning of 12 module 5. Okay, if for example, if I say 12 module 6, what will happen? So I want to make the above apple to 6. So I'll take this one there and I'll make this one there. So above 6, below 6. So I don't have any remainder. The remainder is 0. We can try this one. So G is equal to 12 module 6. Run. Now you see G value is 0. Okay. I think now you understood about module, right? Okay. Then H is equal to A double star 2. So H is equal to A double star represent the square 2. Okay. Now run. So what is H? 25. So this is what. Then I is equal to C plus 2. Okay, so this is the thing why I have given this I equal to C plus 2 means, see, already some value is stored in C. Okay, so now along with that C I am going to add 2. So first of all we can see what is in C. So C, it is having a value of 17. So now I am going to add C plus 2, which means that now I should have 19. Yes, value is stored. Next, it is different. Now C, somewhat different. C plus equal to 2. So here what I did is I am calling the C which is having the value 17. Along with this I am adding 2 and storing in I. So there is no change in C. But now what I am going to do, I am going to add 2 and that should be saved in C. Okay. So C plus equal to 2. Okay, we can go for a run. Now we can see what is in C. 19. Okay, so like this we can do. So whatever the thing here, instead of plus we can use minus, we can use multiplication, we can use division. So it will be stored in the same value. Because it's already saved, so directly we can close this one, click file, close and halt. Okay, now we can see here IPYNB. Okay, I stands for interactive Python notebook. I interactive, PY Python, NP stands for notebook. Our first program will be saved like this. So that's all from now. That's all for now. Then you can try it in your home and you can give your comments. Thank you.